what's up? Cavani, we're here with Cavani again. I don't know if you remember Cavani. I'm wondering if the video person can find Cavani's last. It was his birthday, right?
Yes,
It was his birthday. So we did a delivery on his birthday and we opened up his present and him love it. And him get another present. Cavani is my brother now. Right guys? Right mommy? Cavani is my brother because Cavani always get the cutest gifts, and because me and brother now, me I gotta get a gift too. Alright? So where is the horse? Which one is the horse? Which one is the horse? That's the horse? So this is Cavani's old horse. We're giving him a upgrade. This is the horse for you. It's in the box. You see? Horsey. Alright, so we're giving him a brand new horse. And we can throw away this one. Wow! No, sir. Wow! Do you like it? It's a horsey. Come on, sit on your horse. Alright, cowboy. Alright, hold it. This is your horse. Alright, that is Cavani. Cavani and his horse. Wow. So guys, I just witnessed a nice delivery. Cavani got his horsey, he got 2 horsey, and you know one of them is mine, alright? So guys, that is what we do. We allow you to purchase the items online and get them shipped and delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. Hey, send a little joy for the kids now. Buy an item, we'll ship it to Jamaica, clear custom, deal all of the headache, and get the items delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. I hope you enjoyed that delivery. If you did, go ahead, click the link, join us today. There's a link in the description box or there's a link on the screen down here. Click on the link, join us today. Allow us to ship your packages and get them delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. We are in St. Catherine. Big up all the St. Catherine Spanish town people. You know some love enough. Alright, because you know so we come from Spain. So big up all the Spanish town. Guys, go ahead, click the link, join us today. Have your item shipped and delivered to your doorstep. Bye!